Morning. It's your morning PSA with Surge. Today's PSA is an unbelievable one. We're in 2025 and people still don't know that they need to cover their mouths when they cough or sneeze. I mean, come on. We went through a whole, you know what, and people are still out here coughing, just all willy nilly, sneezing. Like, come on. First of all, we don't want another one of those. Second, like, you nasty. Why you nasty? Don't be like these people out here coughing and sneezing all over the place, without a care in the world. Don't be an ass.